Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact customer service on the Amazon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the menu icon down below, which is the last option. Now you should scroll down till you find the customer service section. Tap on it, and here you should select the topic of your inquiry, such as a delivery, order or return, Prime, payment charges or gift cards, login, address, security and privacy, membership, subscriptions, communication, Prime Video, live streaming, Fire TV, and so on. So click on the relevant one that best describes your problem. Here you should select or narrow down your problem, such as I'm having an issue with login and security, suspicious phone call, email or SMS received, addresses, data privacy queries. So tap on the relevant one, and then you should narrow down it further. And here you should click on change account settings, which is like in connection with your problem. So here you will be directed to this section where you can select from these options in the account settings section. So you will be able to, for example, change your address or account settings such as login and security, switch accounts, your payments and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.